How can I do the thing that I love and do it in a way that's safe? Do it in a way that's friendly to my back and my posture and my overall health.
It's the United States Jigsaw Puzzle Association. You're Bethany Smith. You're about to do a presentation on ergonomics. How do you feel, Pat?
I guess we're going to get funky.
At this level, I think it is just like, it fits, like your arms, I don't know, it just feels better on the back. I have a lot of back problems, so I'm actually really appreciative. I have yet to sit down because I find this to be a lot more comfortable. I've thought about getting a standing desk, not for work, but for my puzzling, so this would be like a great in-between.
I already got one actually earlier today, but I like that I'm leaning on it and I feel completely stable because I've had things where that's not the case and I am a leaner. And yeah, I like being able to lift this up. I'm thinking maybe this would be nice too because in my room I don't have a lot of room that I can do puzzles in there. And like sitting on the bed, you're a little higher than a chair, and this might be a good height. It's really cool for puzzles, and then this I use it for crafting too.
I would rather stand. I really don't stand because I don't have the height for the table. But with the lifters, I might start standing because it's better. It's definitely easier, and you can just move around a lot better.
The competition is really fun. It's really hard on your back because the tables aren't lifted. It's much more comfortable to stand while you're puzzling. I like the product. I like the people who work for the company. They're often very nice. So it's always like cool to support a company that has like nice people working there.
So I also like to puzzle standing, and I find myself hunched over during competition time. You either try to work seated, but I prefer to have a top view. Being in a standing position kind of helps out. It also brings the pieces closer to you. So I've enjoyed the product. I probably will be purchasing some at some point.
Man, I'm so glad I got these. My back been hurting, and now it ain't gonna be. Plus, for my advertising, I'll be able to raise the products up a lot more without having to use these risers, you know? So, I'm really excited about that. Thank you, Lift Your Table. Appreciate y'all, man.
So I'm Mari Black, and I'm here at the USA National Jigsaw Puzzle Speed Puzzle Competition, and I won a very nifty thing in a raffle. I can't wait to try it out. We tried it upstairs on the demo tables, and it was very comfortable to have a straight spine and a clean view of the pieces, because I am a tall person who spends way too much of my time bent over a table, and that sucks. So I'm really excited to have these, and my team and I are going to train on them. One member of our team is below 5 foot, so every table to her looks like how this is going to make it look to us, and I'm always jealous of her. So now, when I train, I get to have the table at my end. Lift your table, save your back.
I'm on a mission to save backs, particularly in the puzzler community, because particularly with speed puzzlers, there is a big opportunity to help improve the ergonomics of the puzzling experience. You know, we really had not had the opportunity to get into the puzzling world. We knew puzzlers used our folding table risers, but we didn't really know why and what their challenges were. So one of the biggest things that came out of it is we understand more what they need and where their pain points are, and we just are so excited. We are thrilled to be here, and we hope we can help, and we hope that if anyone has any questions, they'll just reach out. We're always available.
Learning a lot from the puzzlers. You have to be patient and focus, and this is a stress reliever, and it's been quite an experience. Really enjoyed it. Puzzling shouldn't hurt. Watch how you puzzle. You might feel okay now, but if you puzzle for hours at a time, for years at a time, it will affect your back. So be aware of that. If you're standing, lift your standing surface. We have a solution for that. And if you're sitting, sit in a correct manner.
Honestly, it's been a terrific 3-day event, meeting people from all over the world, even the United States as well, and just listening to their stories and watching amazing people like Alfonso from España, who put together one of the most challenging puzzles anybody's ever seen as part of our booth, and sitting in the ergonomic chair. Just watching him put this puzzle together, it's just incredible, because he doesn't even look at the picture or even try it in different places. He just sees that it fits, and just seeing how brains can work. It's just been a really great experience. I'm blessed to be here with my team, and we just wanted to say that it's been, today I got an opportunity to do an ergonomic puzzlers presentation or workshop for folks that came down at around 10:15. It was great. Everybody was interactive, and people were just interested in how can I do the thing that I love and do it in a way that's safe, do it in a way that's friendly to my back and my posture and my overall health. And we just had a really good time with people. We were exposed to this new hobby. As you can see here, we've done this puzzle several times. On our front table is a little wood puzzle by Daldell, and we've met some new friends. We've made a lot of contacts, and hopefully we'll be coming to a puzzle warehouse type online marketplace near you soon. So I'm gonna say goodbye for now, but I also want to say lift your table and save your back.
Lift your table and save your back.